That's how you're actually going to deflate it as well. Fold it in and boom. Awesome. And then we can just put another CO2 cartridge in. Close this and we're ready to use it again. Okay, there goes nothing. Look at that. That one is perfect. Wow. I think I have dialed it in. And look at that, all one peel. Let's see if it's consistent enough. Or probably have to refurbish it quite a bit more. You push it, it locks it in. Sometimes you kind of have to help it get it going. There you go. And you see how you reset it every time by pushing it there, peeled. You all know I love aluminum splitting wedges. Guess what? They have developed this round one, like a nail one, but it is really long compared to what I've seen. So what we're going to do, just stick it into here. So let's drive it in a little bit. Let's see how it does and how it holds up. I bought it off an eBay used one. Wow, that is in really well, which is nice because it will sit in there really tight. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. I got here ice and I'm just gonna put it just like that. Look how fast it melts the ice. And boom, look at it, almost done. If you have a bigger piece of ice, it's just going to take a little bit longer. Wow, look at that beautiful ice cube. Now you put it in a glass like this, and that looks so beautiful, doesn't it? And look, you have a ball of ice in there. Got right here floating smoke signal. So in a can, let's open it, boom, and it's a puller in. Okay, there's a bucket of water. And let's see what happens. Whoa! Cool. And we got orange smoke. Pretty awesome, beautiful, and as you can see it will float. It's in the water. Let's say if there is a wave, it submerged, no problem. It burns underwater, I mean smokes underwater. You see all these gears are actually spinnable. So you kind of want to be careful closing it and opening it. Wow, that is amazing. That's a one-of-a-kind knife. It's a piece of art. That's definitely next level knife you'll ever see. Wow, check this out. It's a beast. I forgot which one do I need to pull on. So let's see what we're talking about. 360 blind view. We cannot see anything. But when we're on the inside, we have really nice view all the way around. So you just open it up, that's it, and find the middle. That's what you want to do. Grab it and pull on it. You see, just like an umbrella. And then you're pretty much doing the same thing to kind of every corner. Okay, once 2 of them set up, it's actually easier and easier. There you go. Ice cream vending machine. Have you ever seen anything like that? That looks insane. Touch to begin. Regular, large. Let's do large. Apply vanilla. That's fine. Chocolate sprinkles. Let's do all that. Oh wow, you can kind of build it. Okay, complete your order. Oh wow, that's cool. There's a robot. Grab the cup. And there's a pretty cool display to look at. Oh wow, it goes back and forth to fill it up into the cup. That's cool. I guess that's a small cup. There's going to be a large one. Yeah, there is some. That's good. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, and where is it going now? Into the arm. Pretty cool. Oh nice, it's gonna let it go and arm will store away. Sweet. Wow, I can't believe how well it's grinding it. Let's see how much we got. Whoa, that's a lot. There you go. And we got this on fire. Just keep striking it till all that stuff will go on fire. This is the coolest pen I've ever seen. There's a lever you pull on and the pen goes into this beautiful design. You can write, then whenever you want to close it, boom, flattens out. Let's go slow. How cool is that? And one more time, but slowly. It's so cool how it's like breaks through all the way. And then I'm just gonna pull it like this and hook it up on the other side. Look at that. And now it's getting tighter. Once you're done and you need to open it all the way, let go, and then I grab this side and retract it. How cool is that? And you can retract it very, very far away. Look at that. All the way, and then to let go, boom. Inside here you have actual stove. So just pop these two things out and boom, you have right here double stove. So and then you can boil 2 pots of water. So one maybe cook the frying pan and the second one is to boil water. That's an amazing system. Works really smoothly. Check this out. Pack it away, then put the cover on, and this fits right over the cover. Just don't forget to bring with you a bunch of fuel. Most compact double burner system with a really big pot, so that's really cool. Reload utility knife. And the magazine, you see there's a button right here. Boom. Wow, look at that. Whoa, you kind of want to catch it. That is cool. So you want to put the different blades in. Okay, whenever you take one out, you can pull it out. Boom. But whenever you don't press it, you see it stays in there. So whenever the blade gets really dull, especially if you're cutting lots of shingles, you can easily pull it out, reset. How amazing is that? So pull it out, go back and get another one out. Double click on brightness and look at it, it's smoking instantly. You kidding me? So all we need is a little bit of air and we got the fire going instantly. World's smallest, brightest flashlight. Boom, look how small that is. And it is 25,000 lumens. Because you don't want it by mistake to light on. And looks like it has this kind of batteries, which is actually awesome because you can buy them and replaceable. And if you point it at the house, look at that. The whole house lights up like crazy. And it's a big 2-story house. It lights up like it's a spotlight. There's a blade, sharp edges over here. You line it up and push it in. We'll get into the can and pull on it and slide it. And you can go all the way through. It's so satisfying, look at that. This is one of the best can openers ever. And then you can just grab it and open it with that little hook. Once you're done with that, what we'll do is put the leather part into it and stop it. Pull this part, stone away, and it stops, you see, the other way around. Quite unique. You sharpen it up well, you just twist it, release it, and ready to shave again. So it's on a go little very, very vintage safety razor. So that's definitely one of a kind shaver right here, don't you guys think? Wet fire is probably one of the best tinder fire starter. So check this out. You open it up and that's your fire starter. I have a little bit of water in here and as you can see it floats. Oh, and it's going. How amazing is that? You see, it floats in the water, on the water, and it burns. Wondering how to put this out? Just grab water, splash it a little bit, and you see it puts it out. Indestructible axe. This thing is almost 100 years old, and look at this feature. There's a built-in safety. It hides in here, and it's so piece of metal, one piece. Obviously there's a handle, but yeah, this thing is really hefty and solid. The most unique part about it is right here, boom, and now it's hidden away, so there's no sharp edges. You can put it into your backpack and not worry about it. Open it whenever you're ready to use. Beautiful little camp hatchet, that's for sure. Look how snug it gets. Easy to take it out. Okay, you put it in and then you twist it. Boom, and you take it out. So what we're gonna do is extend this thing and then take it out. Almost. Boom.